In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Spring tool suite into Eclipse. So first, to get started, you need to download Eclipse itself. You can do that here, download 64-bit, and this is what we're going to install, the Spring tool suite. You do not, if you come to this site, it says download zip. You do not need to do this. It's much easier with latest Eclipse to install it through the Eclipse application. So here we have Eclipse. It's no project yet. It's very open. We come into Help, Eclipse Marketplace. This is much easier than the other videos say it is. We come to STS, Spring Tool Suite. We install, confirm all the options. We accept the license agreement. We can see the details here. These are coming from Eclipse, so we install, and then we restart. So once Eclipse is restarted, we can close our welcome window, and if we come in here and try and create something new, we still don't have our Spring tools. What we have to do is come into Window, Perspective, Open Perspective, Other. When we go in here, we open Spring. Now that that's open, now we can say New Spring Starter Project. And that's it. You've got the Spring tool suite installed in Eclipse.